Welcome to Infinite Material Solutions. This is the future of additive manufacturing. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Cernahouse, Executive Advisor at Infinite, and I'd like to show you how the work you do, the pieces you create, the way you bring your ideas to life can and will be transformed. How will it be transformed? Well, it starts with Infinite, a place that gives you, the creator, the innovator, the entrepreneur, the design freedom to solve additive manufacturing challenges, from ideation all the way through to production. We're ready to take on whatever your mind can dream of, from footwear and automotive to modern medicine and the far reaches of space, from the simplest of parts to the most complex and everywhere in between. Our materials continue to transform industries everywhere, and we're not done yet. So how do we do it? Through innovations like Aquasys, our revolutionary water-soluble support material that has remarkable compatibility with a broad range of thermoplastics. Or Caverna, a unique build material with a dissolvable component that creates parts with a microporous structure. And that's just the beginning.